Somebody gave me this, or did I buy this? Girl, this expired in 2021. Oh, I just want to say, welcome to my kitchen. This is not my normal content, but it's going to be content that I'm going to be posting a little bit more. I'm posting more home inspired decor, organization type of content, just so y'all know. If you don't know who I am, my name is Candace Spann, where my pillars are real life, real estate, and faith. And that's all the things that I talk about. Today, though, with kind of my real estate background, I have a certification in interior design, but I recently got to a place where I don't want to style people's houses anymore. I just want to create the products that goes into your house, which is why I started my own candle line, which is hypoallergenic candle line. They're all candles that are centered around the favorite parts of your home. So, and the things that you do in your home. So if you want to learn more about my candle line, you can find all that information at abundantliferestore.com. That's where you can get all this information. But on top of that, I'm just trying to expand the other things that I like doing in my house. And now I am cleaning up. Let's get to the main point of this video, which is to actually organize this pantry. So first, we're gonna start with getting everything out, because the worst thing that you could do is start organizing while you're decluttering. Take all the stuff out of this pantry and start over. So, yeah. The only one that looks like this? I didn't even know all this stuff was, I know all this stuff been in there. I just really need to come to the terms that I'm never really going to like milk. And it's also because I'm probably lactose intolerant, but the taste of dairy makes me nauseous. See, look, I'm touching it with a dirty glove. Oh, I thought these little containers was alive. Like, who lives like this? Hey, we can only do better, right? Anyway, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you made it this far in the video, it's like, I still feels like I'm still going. And I guess I need to really do it like a part 1, part 2, because this is just a point of like taking out the stuff out of the pantry versus like organizing. And now I want to order like some more shelves and online. But I don't know what type of shelves I want. Why do I have a meat scale? Look at that. Why is my closing packages of my house in the pantry? We don't know. Who didn't know who needed one. There is so much dust on the cups alone. Throw the cups away. How many trash bags do you think that this is going to be? Probably 4. Well, y'all, this is what it looks like with my pantry all cleaned out. And that's just a countertop. Look at the floor. Girl, ain't no way. And it's just me, like, hoarder. Why do you have all this stuff? Anywho, I cleaned out this middle section. I just started organizing like my medicines and stuff and cleaning products. I also organize the dog stuff here, and then also like some other dog stuff. So, okay, so the pantry is empty. And as much as I thought that I would be putting everything back on in the, let's throw the expired food away. But we're throwing all this stuff away because why do I have so many expired things? Can nuts expire? Nuts can't expire. When does this expire? It just expired in January. Trash. Oh, this is a good Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag's high. So clearly I could still use this bag here. Look, Oreos. Let me see. No, that kind of stank. No. Granola is too expensive to be thrown away. This is a whole thing of granola. This is $10. You know these chips old because they light skin. I never see a tortilla chip lose its color. That's old. Ooh. That thing smell old. Have that. What did I carry in these boxes? Oh, when I bought did I buy wine for people for a gift or something? I had. If I gotta look for the date, is old. Saving food and part of like overstoring can be sometimes rooted in poverty. And I'm not saying like I grew up in poverty or like poor, but you know, my family made do with what they had. And I'm very thankful for that. But I do think that a lot of this is a result to maybe thinking that you'll run out of food or maybe thinking that you can use it again. Also, I'm a big cook too. So I like to cook and I like to just have food stored aside. But I wonder what all of this is. Is this rooted in me being like lazy over time? Was it rooted because I was entertaining a lot? You know, you try to figure it out because that's where I'm at. I'm just trying to figure out where did we go wrong? Story time. I, growing up, had a military dad, even though I was raised by my mom. But I think my mom is very militant because she was married to my dad for a long time. But they both are very OCD clean type of parents. My mom cleans a lot. Like, she hates clutter. She hates stuff on the countertops. And I feel like any black mama was kind of like that. Like, a lot of them just was hyper vigilant, always trying to clean, always like making sure everything is pristine because they really want to take care of what they had. And, you know, and that's okay. But I think me being the only child raised in my mom's household, just with my mom, a lot of cleaning responsibility was fell onto me. And if it wasn't her cleaning, then I was cleaning. And I think that like, because I don't have her in my house or she's not here, like I don't feel like I have to be forced to keep something up to par, especially if I can just close the door on this, you know what I mean? Because nobody can see, like see in this like area, but that doesn't make it good. You know, that doesn't make it good. But I think honestly, that could be the only reason for this behavior. Like these, the green white strawberry shortcake bars, nasty. I thought that I would like these, disgusting. Gary's popcorn, nasty. Oh my God. Somebody gave me this, or did I buy this? Girl, this expired in 2021. Oh. So this is all the trash here. So we got 1, 2, 3. And, you know, might as well say those boxes put in a trash bag, that would be 4. So I think I stand corrected. I'm tired. I think I am about maybe an hour and 30 after I cut the camera off. And we are practically organized. I have a ton of containers and no dishes in the sink that I have to wash, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. So there's nothing on my floor either as well, except for like Leo's toys. So this is just stuff that I got to go through because this was that box that I found that I don't know what was in there. But yeah, I found a freaking gift card that somebody gave me. This gift card is like 3 years ago for a coffee shop in Park Circle called Orange Spot. Yeah. The kitchen sink area, the floor is clear. And then these are all the dishes of the containers that I have to wash there. Yeah, so let's take a look at the pantry. Over here looks so much better. Look at this. You could see the floor. You could easily walk. Look at that. It's so organized. I'm so proud. Good job, pal. So I got all my cups and stuff right there. Popcorn, snacks. Got my little lazy Susans there. And then I actually brought this that was on my countertop. I actually put some chips in there. Took them out the box and put them in there. Got my other lazy Susan here for my straws and syrups. And then brown sugar, hulls, coffee stuff, sugar, rice, some bread and stuff. And then, you know, just some of my appliances that I use. So I think your girl did a good job. To say I did this, what, in a total of 3 hours? I'm pretty proud.